Ebusia that's all Baba Jamal sensem no any aye was East Bonanza na e course no. Now confidence omu kire say Mahama sebe oye hypocrite. Mahama his excellency or Mahama Ayariga our majority in parliament. Omu kire say onkofu mienu we. Omu ye so hypocrite. After some report eba yes Baba Jamal never engaged in vote buying. Omu abayi komadwa kire John Mahama. Be man kire mu no akire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Metro say ni demo. Obe like video now that my subscribe button and click the notification and latest update. Now better why that mama I will comment. There's no baswa. No share for any biashwe. So it is literally a week. And NDC for our more Iowa East constituency delegate to Mohonomono. Or call election na a primary because NDC in all tell so as MP Owu Yano. 3rd March and a yako by election. It now who be here saying over present a new candidate. It almost pray no Baba Jamal Hejia. And nipa be 4 out of 5 and a contest here. Last week and omo call omo primary 7th February and end this for omo call omo primary na omo copy candidate. Now how in fact your bosika tuo there was a bonanza.
Because you are Baba Jamal, but as a delegate.
Delegate no otuaba hey contestant no ebi ma 3,000 plus 32 inches television set ebi supply kibo gari a more bag ne entuma pofa ebi supply motorbike any other ebi supply for after yes delegate ADD oh that day there delegate ADD pa now at the end of the day after election Baba Jamal and win now right from there no and buy say there be and this one penny for the cat about one time say omu condemn the action that happened here because the bonanza no the items sharing no e be publicly e ma no bia anitua e ja be say abe animguase ma NDC e do me the crack about one time e be condemn as a Fiifi Kwetey general secretary nsa and the chassis from there and it was a crack every Mahama so ya aba office of the president aba as almost single out Baba Jamal and almost urging appointment every nsem ko Baba Jamal na oye Ghana's High Commissioner to Nigeria almost single out almost appointment every nsem meanwhile omo engage that no woman na won so no pribie no the former MP ni wife no ono or board matter say or that or position be 3 kwa no Mahama mamu board or your board chair for about 3 sectors or your board chair Baba Mahama anyi on appointment Baba Mahama eje Baba Jamal appointment in the free nsem what I say Emma at the end of the day no majority that in parliament on Mahama Ayariga esa the crack about one say election results na about yen cancel na yen go to aba ni foforo na ko say ase enipa bebre na ekopra konwa obia ache niema ba say single out Baba Jamal nkwana say pese mafia no because of that no NDC for now almost support Baba Jamal omubu fuye almost be saying a word of caution to NDC and John Mahama
me say me kan kire obia e wo Ghana ha say election ayeye e wo mi ma no e peaceful election na e peace na election no be fa ntokwa bi enfa mbagana me ka kire Fiifi Kwetey my friend 3 times and I also know and the crop for no mo yesa me dunya kopo mamu create problem manima and mamu ma NDC no problem Fiifi Kwetey me dunya kopo mamu ba NDC no problem e wa nima e wa so a
na bojanum say according to Fiifi Kwetey the character Bible to mchirem say omu carry out investigation now at the end of the day say investigation no be bua ball no one here waso be hye party no enu obi ka we say investigation report no committee no mtie ya no omu report ababantene omu chirem say there wasn't any issue of vote buying.
Fashion Executive Committee candidacy. As we announced, in the wake of what happened last Saturday in the primaries in the House of East, we set up a three-man committee, and we asked the committee to submit its report latest today to be discussed by the Functional Executive Committee of the party. So that committee led by Honorable Kofi Kwetey presented this report to us. Let me just say that the long and short of the report was this, that inappropriate conduct was exhibited by virtually almost all the candidates. Even though you cannot establish, because the candidates were clear that what they did was in light of motivating of the delegate. We believe that that was inappropriate. So in the light of that, the committee's report was to the effect that ideally we should have an annulment of the primaries. However, the committee also acknowledged that there are real obstacles that make it difficult for us to do that. One, the party's constitution does not have a provision for an annulment of election. Two, we are time bound because we need to be presenting a candidate by tomorrow to the Electoral Commission. So given these difficulties, and also there are legal challenges that could be mounted by whoever won, and the party clearly will not be able to go through any of that process without presenting a candidate very quickly. So in the light of that, the party effectively has taken the recommendation, which is that we, given the difficulties of time and also the legal challenges, we have no option but to present Baba Jamal, who actually won according to the Electoral Commission declaration. But the party also wants to signal that we take into consideration the step taken by the president. And the president acted purely on the back of what happened on Saturday, allegation that he had. He asked for Baba Jamal, who was High Commissioner in Nigeria, to be recalled. We think that that was actually appropriate by the president. We also want to urge the president, apart from Baba Jamal, I think two other of the candidates also are in positions of appointment. I think they are on various boards, and similar measures to be taken as well to just show that we as a party feel that anyone who was involved in this inappropriate conduct have to be punished once they are appointed by the government. So that is definitely a step that we recommend to the president to take. We also want to say that we are going to do a comprehensive review of the whole process that leads to our elections in our internal elections are concerned. So we are expanding the committee that was appointed. We are adding 4 more members to that committee to make a 7-member committee. And that 7-member committee will extensively come up with a recommendation as to how we can once and for all deal with this, should I call it, canker, which has to do with anything that amounts to inappropriate conduct as far as elections are concerned. So we're expecting that committee to immediately resume and start its duty and then submit a report to us very, very, very soon. And we expect that report will help us to be able to deal with this once and for all. But the final thing I would say is this, that we are conscious of the fact that this practice has been with us, not just as the NDC, but also with the NPP. We want to, for example, take note of what the MPs came out with to say that they thought it was wrong, and we agree with them that it was wrong. But we also want to admit the fact that even the MPs themselves pretty much know that a lot of them who are in Parliament today cannot exactly be the one to cast the first stone, because they clearly must have done things of this nature themselves. So we need to approach this issue comprehensively.
Your cherished listeners, I think that basically, as we indicated some few days back, following the Ayawasu election, we set up a committee, and the committee was expected to submit their report. This report was detailed and very professional. One, the committee noted that there was a widespread of goods or items as far as the Ayawasu West East by-election is concerned on behalf of candidates. So we may not have seen candidates do it themselves, but it happened. Two, they noted that under normal circumstances, the committee's work was more institutional than individual, which presuppose that we test the integrity of the election. So usually the election would have been annulled. However, in our law as a party, we have combed through our constitution and didn't find any provision to that effect that when circumstances of this nature occur, there's an outright provision for us to rely on. And then number three, the exigencies of time which we find ourselves require that within tomorrow, we should be able to file an NDC candidate. So the practical reality is that time would not allow us to go through all of these procedures and processes. So we have decided to affirm Baba Jamal as the candidate of the party who will be filed tomorrow. All other aspirants and members of the party will be required to rally their support for us to go into that by-election. We have also decided to continue our commitment to address or bring to an end these particular, widespread challenge which the public has complained about, issues of vote buying and possible inducement. So we have expanded the committee from 3 to 7 for them to continue to work on a modality or some regulation that the party would adopt to regulate our elections from now into the future, involving branch elections, constituency elections, up to national elections, parliamentary and presidential elections, so that as far as the NDC is concerned, under most circumstances would we be back to the table being called upon to answer issues regarding possible vote buying and inducement as far as elections are concerned. So that is the decision that we have arrived at this evening.
So now face almost the electoral results now electoral commission by na declare Baba Jamal as a winner almost so all because need time. They don't have time on their hands to waste on anything. Anything me question because money time. Why then we can say more investigation? If you don't have time, why? But then want some like only say by the entire Mahama Jina so Eddie Baba Jamal didn't say why engage in vote buying. The entire Mahama Ayariga as the Krataba Bontin say Mahama Baba Jamal I engage in vote buying. Then results in young council and what to go for. But a buy is and Tessa. And this is not the first time one. Obi ko primary sir. Watch a BB. AC MPP NDC. Obi biala all contesting in primaries biano oche BB. Even Mahama kwa there's a video na Mahama HS car or claims a 40 series, but or the one for or the Maomo as transportation. Obi Cheska. Edu Pramisa, Opia bought delegate Hoka. But I buy Baba Jamal inquires the Omu Bona Senior Mu handle and said the way BB. But Okoba and I tell him said he never engaged in vote buying. I'm over just said your Mahama wa fele, or Mahama Ayariga. Don't busa said now no. Mahama had an appointment Ebemano, and I said that because the entire Mahama, agent as we Baba Jamal D, and they say we engage in vote buying. But now, so committee report Baba Jamal never engaged in anything like in vote buying. It now which is which. Will Mahama give his appointment back to Baba Jamal and apologize to him or what? Who come in just say Mahama said or a hypocrite or a nyatron.
Mahunu NDC may cause some investigation. Mahunu the majority caucus. Mahama Ayariga led NDC majority caucus. So musu qualify for say. Sana na kwa ndi enka. Yanka abade nyina mfuntum na omo mu twie ska nya yenyi omo fa mfiri mu aha na me issue no no. You see Ono Mahama Ayariga mu ye hypocrite mu ye nyatwom NDC MP sa mu de wonsa hye ma me kata no msa ye no na mbobodi no NDC MP sa mu na mo so ye regional caucus chair ya mu de wonsa hye kata se mu ye hypocrite. Can you swear before your God? I said, Parliament Ambano, when Chaka Pre, I'm a delegate. Can you? Honorable Mahama Ayariga, you, as a majority leader, can you say, Oba Parliament, when you're even one city, I'm a delegate? Shame on you. We are all against vote buying. against monetization of our politics. But yet to me against on hypocritical background. And then we can say NDC MPC or myself the film and left. Oh, BHB. Munyama to go to for you be free. You go to Munyama to for you be free. Monetization of our politics ya the bonnet. Mekoswa can there be a but nipo nya atom so de make kama no ntu wo ne ho me catch delegates nya mu ye no mo chire the general populace ni bibi say 2028 me makwasi nsaso me kwa akoto aba me hwe ne se NDC ana se MPP obema me TV obema nkosua ne meko ba me fanto fom fa me so na menye obema me 3,500 Ghana cedis obi say na free ni meko ni me yesai you be say 3,500 mile no e for TNT ofri ni ma run about e ko ba bi eto aba na e yesai but you know so we yell sad the next time we demand 5,000 as some so to aba can we survive yes. Maybe the betting your mom no for the so be dey free yourself in a general election no Ghanaians will make a core demand. Near has a 6 million to about His Excellency John Mahama. If he can pay 3,000 galaxies to each or Obioko to Aba. Let's find solution to it. Let's say among yourself, a good anymore.
Mibisa say committee na NDC tene na ano no. Omote se omode dada Ghana for ana no omode ye den. 1. Reasons are omode aba se enunti omontumi ntwa elections no mu no. Na reasons no ho before the setup of the committee. 1. Almost say timing for filing ne. Ntine too close. No, yes. Timing I say candidates no filing with the electoral commission no too close. Almost committee no munim say timing ne. Di no munim say report no ba any time no be share. It is a whole catch as a what committee. Emma Ghana 14 na bribe be aba ye be taking action decisive. The near na action and they say time when you close. Tell to me nyehwe. 2. NDC nim rebia esi ho kwan. Say obi tua bribe. Ube to me aye ni bibi because they kokota ube lusu. Omoti committee no munim so omuni sa amra no. It makes the whole committee no say and the amuye ni na useless. Chairman, it's a waste of time because na mo na mo take committee mo terms of reference na mo date say fake behia banada it o mo wie o mo committee report no joada na banada o mo fa mehia fake mo si committee no recommend say mo ano election ni nyina mo ntwam bibia mu committee na koye na dwuma de aba. Now reasons a marginal so send your committee na moti ya na catch them on to be find your juma say time when you close. Multi committee am on terms of reference am on date. Na munim say Wednesday filing. Munim say fake be share Tuesday na so mo be share mo. It is the only thing na mo twan ya ne say mbeba be ka say mamu ntwam because time you close. It o mo no dey bad the negative say mu ntwam. Now the reason is that you twam time you close. The ntimi ntwam. So why the committee? 2. Musi we twema enye ye because or the yen court ye nim rebia as NDC. I boy yen ho ban wo court. Then the committee no okoye den. Because the odi beba bia no enimum remu bio. This a money mra betimi amomo gina so atwamu dia. Moti committee no ye den. The Ghana ni bi odwene say obibiasi NDC mpanyimfo oti committee no. Mo waste say nipa no time. Yen mu bi de ani enim say nkosi hwe because omo na ye no obi ani moral rights none of them obi atua bi pen all of them obi leadership national leadership obi atua bi pen chairman say politician bi aka kire say onim say elections inducements woman no boa tina make say Ghana for start kasa say mo ba na anu ada hi na munya motorbikes hi na munya eno na mass ade we ba mu Chairman, ya ko elections e bi mo che dollars pay o. Bi mo che a fridge nyina pay o. Hwe NDC National Youth and Women's Wing elections omo ye ni Cape Coast. So honorable Fuzeni beka no kra. Ho ye che televisions. Brojaje Mfi against Pablo. E wo Cape Coast. Omo che televisions. My two brothers. Honorable Hanabisi Women's Wing elections. HS stove, this gas, cylinders. I will Cape Coast. The other na woman na be new.
Na won kan won dey na.
So true letter recalling no right away because of the what inti. And you wouldn't say o mama ba ye adwuma esi o ya appointees. Obi ye ni ho a obefa o man sika wan si dia to no botomako. Ne bom o makatui o beji bosome e na o de kofi. Nishaman, how possible? Because your mobile band gave Mobia, Yenimobia, or more costly than Mobia, so awful. Mean Cassia so. See, Sam drew say a say. Ye, and she say I am rato within the party. The party may be about to be, I even say, oh, Chisica, and now Omen Bibiano. Say, Pano, you better disqualify her. Come on, meet your sir. But what moral grounds now? A majority of more a parliamentary council. And I know elections don't buy. I challenge them. Say on 2027 primaries on Bekono. On empty-handed. Here some back to parliament. Those who signed the petition. I challenge them. My nada because you see, Chairman, any pair to abana the omo pay and I no. Ni pair to abana. Constituency or when him say, I assume it's in the me, I be him aboying, I be my Chairman when this car, yantomo. Now I wonder how I to abani we are not the same people are complaining say MPA to abama no ye hu so mfaso onye hwe man abado obitua ka wi a ade we no no wo yibim o ton ade enipa na tua oka uzeni ade ko otua oka na waje ade ko no ko nti o wi ade hye se brano sa be hwe me o me hwe o se ni binti enti ya ti ase se ya bato a ye to no ban mu no ye ton e ya ba ye ton ni man kofo. And he, again, I see a Baba Jamal. What I mean, what is this? I see, Jamal, this is the first time, Chairman. Really, so me and you say, be a bomb bizo. Then sang Obi. I think that's the first time I had to a bar. You who said, Opi, Nko 4 chichen near Mamma Nko 4. I because one time, was that 4 years ago, say 8 years ago? Obi, candidates in you are same area. Lodu bicycle. No, but I say area of here. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Chairman, I say area of here by social media crap. Or the track you could see on we born until time I am trauma no cool film one by one. Or one waje na a piano that was so can to Ludu na be na and or Sandy or Sandy by. Dear Kosi. Enya man your phone aye nipa na eto oba no ana amakwanya masa niema we den ekoso nti se ye che na se wo nche bia taman eno an se ye beto oba na wi no me in fact me Fiifi Kwetey ya adwin se aba na ye twede a ye ntwi nsi ba akofo so ayesa na je se yasa twi nsi mi no egu apaso yedi ba akọ no je ba akọ ase bia obi wo na support ya Baba Jamal na wo maka ne de obi akwa ko che yesi sabe be mfa ncheme pa de kra ina na ka ho oh yes mitie e kan say yenua ba bi se ono onya pa di na onya mo ka ho
kibo
gari ka ho what you say
abonike the lady said it
na chairman
Jisusu baby count
Sika na me awoka kosia sam krade ana no under NPP promise on me hu social media Kennedy say enya aduane mo ba obi say enya aduane mo polling stations no amoto aba no ehu bi tika kosia de sabi wo person ni conscience no on live healthy enti wo mo obi akosia ma won say executive na timedi no ma ye healthy and they say Kenya Bolivia but chairman me ubisa me until say ye be ye mra
Chira wadwe mame e wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.